thunderstorm warning for Du Bois County in south central Indiana, northwestern Perry County in south central Indiana, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 1:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:42 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 12:42 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hobstadt to near Stanley, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. These are destructive storms. Expected hazards include 80 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. These severe thunderstorms will remain over mainly rural areas of Du Bois and northwestern Perry counties, including the following locations: Celestini, Ranger, Millersport, Bristow, Huntingburg, Mentor, Birdseye, Duff, Dougville, and Ferdinand. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 4 p.m. Central Standard Time for South Central Indiana.